the SB Zoom Janoski OG+. Black Pony Hair 2025. A special edition black pony hair makeover of the SB Zoom Janoski OG+ has surfaced ahead of summer. The lifestyle-focused faux hair enriches the appearance, replacing the shoe's basic suede structure that was a hallmark of its early iterations. The Achilles heel panels, logo, and tongue hardware all choose a dark finish, with the leather used for the most recent elements. Although the upcoming release will include a glossy black makeover, the 16-year-old Nike SB design retains the visuals of its tooling underneath. With its rough pattern and color, the reinforcement around the toe also creates a look reminiscent of carbon fiber. Using a magenta-like tint, the herringbone-patterned traction departs from the top half, revealing a rose image that may be an homage to previous Digi-Floral releases. SRP of $100.